Alright guys, welcome to another video. Thought it was about time I introduced you to Rexy, the beautiful old girl that the channel was named after. So a little bit of background on Rexy. My dad likes to restore and sell old cars. He just finished restoring and sold a car and he was looking for a new one. Went down, found this old girl, decided, yep, buy her, took some pictures, sent them to me. So at the time I had a little car and I actually wanted a four-wheel drive. I used to own a Jeep. I love the boxy, square looking four-wheel drives. I don't like the rounded ones. So Dad sent me pictures and I went, oh, she's gorgeous. She's beautiful. How cool. Cool. Didn't think anything of it. Went around Mum and Dad's and Dad went, do you want her? I went, okay. He's like, I'll custom restore her for you. And I went, oh, really? That would be epic. I was like, that would be fantastic. So he went down to pick her up, just down south. Got her on a car trailer, brought her back home on this car trailer, and he goes, take her for a drive. So she drove, but not the best, hence the car trailer. So I jumped in and I had to have one hand out the door, holding the door shut, and the other hand doing the gears. And I took her for just a little spin around the cul-de-sac near Mum and Dad's, and I was like, love her, absolutely love her, I want her. So Dad went, cool, I'll do a custom restore on her. And here she is. She's not completely finished, but she's definitely getting there. Yeah, all right, I'll show you around her. Let's go. All right, so as I've said, she is a 1993 Land Rover Defender. Isn't she beautiful? So I will try and tell you as much as I can about the restore of her. I'm not overly mechanically minded, so I can't tell you all the intricates. I just know that Dad has completely stripped and rebuilt her. So we've kept the original as much as possible, like I wanted all of her original features. So we do have some new LED lights. Unfortunately, we don't have the old air horn that sits in here, but I do love the grille. Custom number plate. 1993 was the year she was made. 1993 was the year the first Jurassic Park came out. My little Defender badge. This isn't a spare tyre. It's just for show, pretty much. It just looks really cool on the bonnet. My little Land Rover. So they are from Solihull, England. I am an English baby. These are my aircon vents. So as you can see, it's not your smooth glossy paint. This is called Raptor paint. Really good for forward driving, adds that texture, and it's like dinosaur skin, even better. So little LED indicator lights. I'll turn all the lights on and show you. So bingo, Mr. DNA. So we did put this canopy on the back of her and Dad painted it the green, so it was originally black. I've got my camping canopy you would have seen in one of my old camping videos. This is a spare tyre. This is actually a spare tyre if I ever need it. My wicked LED lights. My jerry can. I want to change this to a black one. It bugs me that it's silver. Got my little, can you see that? Fueled by recycled dinosaurs. So she is a diesel. All right, I'm gonna pop the hood and I will show you under the hood. Catch you in a mo. All right, gotta find a little. So this is nice and heavy with having the wheel on it. Oh, so like I said, I'm not mechanically minded, so I can't really tell you what's going on under the hood. I just know that he's done a complete engine revamp, all new belts. He's not long done a service on her, so all the new oil. Any questions, pop them in the comments below and I'll ask Dad and I'll get him to answer you any questions. So let me start her up and you can hear and see what the engine looks like. Excuse the camera, she started shaking a bit there. It's got a beautiful curve to her. Let me turn all my lights on so you can see the beautiful lights. And I will put my hazards on so you can see them. Alright, can you see that? It's pretty cool. I've got these hooks so we can tie stuff down. Obviously my roof rack as well, so we can tie stuff down on her. So this is a rock box canopy. I will show you inside her shortly. Isn't she just a beast? So inside my rock box canopy, I do have some King's drawers. I've got my Tassie stickers on there. Always ready to camp, swag, chair. That's for the awning up there, sleeping bag. So always ready with my cooking, camping stuff. I will get more camping going on now it's summer. Some awesome places to take here. So I do have a new Nakey hammock. I want to give it a try when I go camping next. Yeah, these little drawers. These drawers have been absolutely brilliant to keep everything tidy. Before it was just a bit of a crazy mess. It is a little bit of a mess on this side. So I do have my King's mini fridge. This is all wired up. Just a few little bits in there. It's my little jump starter and that. So yeah, really cool canopy, and I love the fact that I've still got room on the back to tie down stuff, to sit, to put whatever. Yeah, still good that it's only sort of taken up half. When we were doing the canopy, we were trying to decide, oh, do we just leave her black? Do we do her fully green? And then my dad painted her the green with the black, and I saw it and went, oh, that's amazing. That looks perfect. Very happy that he did that. That just pops. So inside, like I said, I wanted to keep her as original as possible. So she's still got the wind down windows. She does have central locking with an alarm just for security, safety reasons. These seats, ceiling on here, my mum did all these with a sewing machine, put all these in, made all these seat cushions, so they're all of material, easily wipe down, easily keep clean. An amazing job. So let's jump in. So I've still got the old dash. So I don't know what half of these are because they don't have the dial things on them. But I do have a screenshot on my phone of what they are in case any of the lights come on. That's inaccurate, but Dad's put in, this is an electric camera rear view, so it's got a camera on the front and it's got a camera on the back, so that does actually give me my speed. So I've got my speed there. All the original, like, I still got my dialogue clock. I don't have a radio in here, hence why I have a little JBL speaker. So yeah, as original as I possibly could keep her. I wanted to keep her. I absolutely love this fabric. How Mum and Dad have done this. Little air vents. So that's my aircon, you know, 40-degree Australian heat. I've got all my Jurassic Park stuff everywhere. Absolutely love Jurassic Park. So this is a like fluffy material roof that Mum and Dad did. I do have these windows. I can't, actually I never tried to open them, but I don't think I can open them. But that's okay, that won't really provide much of anything. So we can put an extra middle seat here. I don't have it in, I've got an anchor point, and down here is for where my fridge can be plugged in, so I can have my fridge here if I'm on a long journey, pop the fridge in here, and yep, easy, get my drinks, snacks or whatever out. The seats come up, so let me show you my little storage sections under my seats. Just pop. So this seat comes up, so straight out like that. Let me put it in the back there, and then there's a little compartment under here, just a little bit of extra storage. Let's move this seat forward. I'll unclip this. It needs to go forward a little bit more, and then little compartments. I've just got like my battery in there, my jump starter, little tyre repair kit, old map book, and then under that seat is my car battery. So yeah, just a bit of storage, unique extra bits here. Put that back. So all of this carpet is marine carpet that they put on boats, so easy to hose out if I ever need to hose her out. It is a little bit dirty at the moment. She was washed the other day. I still haven't figured out what these are. I don't know, obviously some air vent thing. But yeah, she's pretty wicked. She's a pretty cool little girl. As you can see, I think down here, if you can see, or you've seen it when we've been driving around, her exhaust does sit very low. So Dad's going to put a new exhaust on her next time I drop her off at his, and then it will like lift it up a little bit, and then I'll be able to go forward driving. Last time we took her forward driving, we went up this big sand embankment, ripped the exhaust off, and I had to drive home with no exhaust on, with it tied down to the back of the tray, and she was like a tractor. Oh my god, she was so loud. Yeah, so she's a diesel, 5-speed diesel manual. If you've got any questions on her, anything else you want to know that I haven't covered, any of the mechanical stuff, pop a comment down below and I'll get Dad to answer any of the mechanical stuff. Dad has done an absolutely insane job. I can't get over how much of an insane job Dad's done. So yeah, like I said, anything else you want to know, pop a comment. Please don't forget to like and subscribe the video. It all really does mean a lot to me. And we'll take you on some more adventures with us, some more camping. Like I said, when we get the exhaust, I'll go 4-wheel driving. And yeah, we'll explore a bit of Australia, and we'll go with Rexy. I'll catch you next time.